To add DNS as a traffic source to Netography Fusion, first we're going to need to enable DNS logging using the Cloud Shell. You're going to need to follow along in our Quick Start guide on the Adding DNS as a Traffic Source page. So first we're going to open the Cloud Shell, which is the terminal icon up at the top there. That's going to give us a command prompt. Now you're going to come in here and copy this command line, but you're going to need to edit this for your individual configuration. Now we'll come over here and paste our command into the Cloud Shell and hit enter. And you may get this prompt to authorize and to enable it. Click yes. And the command finished successfully and without error. If this step did not go smoothly for you and you did get an error, see the troubleshooting steps under the Add DNS as a Traffic Source page on our Quick Start guide. Next, we're going to create a sink. So go to Log Router, create sink, give your sink a name, and for the sink destination, we're going to click Cloud Pub Sub Topic, and we are going to create a new topic. For our settings here, we're going to select Enable Message Retention, and we're going to set message retention to 1. We're going to leave the rest of the settings as default, but we need to create a topic ID. Click Create. Now we're going to need to add a inclusion filter. So hop over to our Adding DNS as a Traffic Source Quick Start guide. Scroll down to the inclusion filter here. So you're going to want to copy this and paste it in. Click Next and create sync. Next, we're going to create a pub sub poll subscription to our new DNS topic. So click Topics, and we're going to find the DNS topic we created in the previous step and click Create Subscription. Give your subscription a name, and delivery type is poll. Now we're going to set the message retention to 1 day, and we're going to set a retry policy of exponential backoff, and we can leave everything else set to default. Next, we're going to add Netography's GCP service account as a principal to the pub sub subscription. All of the caveats and prerequisites from flow ingestion also apply here. So click Subscriptions, click our subscription ID, click Add Principal. Now we're going to need to come over to our Quick Start guide for adding DNS as a traffic source and copy our email address. We'll paste that in as a principal. Now click Assign Role and filter by PubSub. Click PubSub Subscriber, and we're done. Click Save. Now we're going to add GCP as a new traffic source in Netography Fusion. So first we're going to go to Settings, then Traffic Sources, then Add Traffic Source, and under DNS we're going to select GCP. Now we're going to need our project ID and our subscription ID. So first we'll just enter a name, going to go to subscription. Here is the subscription ID we created earlier. And we'll get our project ID from the project picker. And you're done.